Echo Foxtrot at Juliet. Taxi
Move this
to
down. Clear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Now we're going to get the weather. This is the weather station at the airport.
Wind 1703, visibility 10, sky clear below wind 2000, temperature 19er, dew point 4, altimeter 3009er, ILS 16 right approach in use, landing and departing runways 16 right and 16 left. Notice to airmen, the ILS auto marker is out of service. Advise on initial contact, you received information X-ray. Airman tower information X-ray, time 19510, wind 1703, visibility 10, sky clear below wind 2000, temperature 19er, dew point 4, altimeter 3009er, ILS 16 right approach in use, landing and departing runways 16 right and 16 left. Notice to airmen, the ILS auto marker.
This is a GPS receiver, but we won't be using it right now. What we're going to do is, now you can close the window if you like. Okay. We're going to, okay. Now in order to move the aircraft on the ground, we have to contact the ground control and tell them what we're going to do. Otherwise, they get upset because they can't tell who's moving where. Okay? And so that's what I'm going to do. Now listen to me to do. And I have the weather. Weather is information X-ray X. Van Nuys ground, Cessna 61221 at ROTOR F with information X-ray, taxi for takeoff.
Cessna 221 Van Nuys ground, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
Runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie 221. Okay, now let your brakes go. And I'm going to move, don't touch. This is not going to help. I'm going to tell you how to do it. Now, try to steer it with your foot. Press the right foot a little. Notice how it's going now left. Quick left, quick left. There you go. Okay? Now I'm going to ask you to brake it. You're going to both feet, before the red line. A little bit hard to brake my right way. Notice it turns. Okay, we're going to go, now let go. And press the hard one, right one harder a little. Press both brakes now. There you go. Okay, you're getting the hang of it. We're going to turn left and you're going to not brake but push your left pedal in until we get on that yellow line there, okay? Now push the left in. Very good. Push the left more in. Good. Look right and left. Very good. Turn, 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 turn. Now push the right one in a little. Right one. Push the right one in. Hold this line between your legs by pushing right and left. I'm going to slow down. I'll tell you which one. Push the right one a little. There you go. Hold it right there. Very good. Notice jet's waiting to take off. The right one a little. Right pedal. Right pedal. Push the right one. Push it in. Push the right one in. A little bit more. There you go. Once it comes on the line, now left one. Left pedal. There you're getting the hang. We're going to do more taxi when we come back. So slow down here. Both pedals. We're going to turn that way. Okay? Now, let it go. Yeah. Now, push the left pedal in, but watch the tip of the wing so we don't hit that yellow tagged area. Very good. Look right and left. Very good. You see that yellow line pointing at us right down there? Yes. Okay, head to that one. Watch the wing tips, or right pedal, right pedal, right pedal, so that it doesn't go towards that. Just go to that yellow line. Very good. It's not very crowded. A little bit right pedal. Right pedal, right pedal.
There you go.
Hold it right there. Left pedal a little. There you go. Constantly requires steering. Now both pedals. Now push the right one. We're going to turn onto this one. Push the right one in until we get onto this yellow one. Push right one harder, harder. Don't brake, push the pedal like that one. Very good. You can turn, it turns on a dime, if you do it. Right. Yeah. There you go. But this is not the one. I'm just holding it for some other reason, but it's not steering. Only your foot. Yeah. Until we're aligned with number one. All right, we're going to brake here. Brake hard. Good. You know how to use brakes. Now, at this point, this area is set up so that we can check the engine before taking off, okay? So we're going to go through the list before takeoff. Cabin doors latched, right? Yeah, okay. Now, flight controls. Grab this, both hands, turn it all the way that way, pull it all the way to your chest. No, return. Then turn all the way this way, and push it gently back in. There you go. Very good. Now, elevator trim control wheel. You can set the position of that elevator there back on the tail with this one, but it's set to take off correctly. Okay? Now you're going to grab this and you're going to push it in until this white needle is right there. Gently. Gently. There you go. More. There you go. A little bit back. Little bit back.
And it's down Diamond 309 to Fox, clear 16 left. That's call for that.
A little bit more back.
Dallas 209 Echo Foxtrot, 1 hour ground, runway 16 left. Taxi via Bravo, Charlie.
There you go. There you go.
16 left via Bravo, Charlie 309 Echo
Suction gauge, fine here. Okay. Engine instruments all green. Okay. We have fuel and the battery is charging, plus side. Okay. Good. Now if you look at the compass, says 16, and push this knob and turn until 16 comes in. Push that knob, push it in and turn. Fast, turn fast, more. Keep turning. More. Okay, just 16. Align it with the white. There you go. Okay, now our heading indicator is adjusted. Now we're going to do magneto check. You're going to grab the key, go one click to the left, just one click. That one. One click. There you go. One click to the right now. Okay, now go 2 clicks to the left. 1, 2, not 3. 1, 2. There you go. 2 clicks to the right. Okay, our spark plugs are working. Good. Now pull the carburetor heat on. We're going to have to check it. There you go. Okay, it made the engine go rough. Notice it's actually feeding hot air to the engine. Pull this out all the way nicely. Gently pull it out all the way. We're testing the idle. Now push the carburetor heat in. There you go. It should make it run a little better. It does. So we're gonna push it up a little bit more right here. Our altimeter has to be set to 3005. 300 here. Turn that knob the other way. 300. No, too fast. It's in between 300 and 30.1. Back. Between these two. Set it halfway in between. There you go. 800 feet is our actual elevation right here. Okay. Now I'm going to ask the tower for takeoff. Okay, everything is ready. Give me 10 degrees of flaps. Move the flaps to 10 degrees. Down. And stop at black line. The black. There you go. Exactly. Just, yeah, go to it and center the switch. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 61221, holding short of runway 16 right at Charlie for closed traffic.
For takeoff. Cross 16 left, runway 16 right, full length, clear for takeoff, citation 8880 Delta. Sorry, I had to step on that aircraft. I did have a window. I had to get that citation out. What was that VFR requesting departure?
This is Cessna 61221, holding short of runway 16 right at Charlie for closed traffic.
Cessna 61221, do I have your request? Diamond 6 Echo Foxtrot, what was your departure request?
That's jet citation.
Left down, left to go home.
And hold on, let's set this to, we're flying VFR, so we're going to set to 1200. Okay. Apparently that jet was in a hurry, so that was why he's apologizing that we got, our transmission got spoken over.
Diamond 6 Echo Foxtrot, constant jet blast for the departing citation cross, runway 16 right, hold short, runway 16 left.
That's the Diamond.
Cross 16 right, hold short, 16 left.
006 Echo Foxtrot, that's the one. That little one, okay. Yeah. Jet took off. He is going to the smaller runway parallel to the big one. They'll probably send us here as well. Send us.
Zero Delta traffic hit to your left. Cessna continuing the pattern. So factor contact SoCal 124.6 today. Yeah, we've got the Cessna in sight, switching SoCal 888 Delta. I'm going to have the Delta Papa clear land. And 3 Alpha Papa, one more departure prior to your arrival, 16 right, clear land. 16 right, clear land. Diamond 6 Echo Foxtrot, contact tower 120.2. 20.2, 6 Echo Foxtrot.
We're going to move towards the runway. them clearing us. No, not this one, the double one, right? Yeah. Never cross that line without explicit permission.
08085.
So we're going to stop right here and wait for their clearance. Okay, there you go. Very good. And you're going to be flying this, just, trust me. Let's get on the runway first. There are 2 departures there, 3 in fact. One of them going. Both diamonds. There's one diamond is going. Next they're going to send the other diamond, and there's another Cessna there. Well, they can send us technically, or somebody's coming in the land. Turn the engine down a little. Say it to the microphone. 1, 2, 3, say. Plug it in.
3. There, yeah.
Okay, I can hear you.
Okay.
A little weak. Hold it closer to your mouth.
Oh, okay.
Now I can hear.
I keep looking for mirrors
on this.
Oh, I see. Yeah, there are no car mirrors. There's just that one. Okay, well, they should clear us. That landed.
Sure, 39 Charlie, where were you headed to? Sure, 39 Charlie.
He's talking to the landing.
Come over, 39 Charlie. Sure, 39 Charlie, just got an update from Camarillo that says that they're closed for a disabled aircraft on the runway. What's your intention? Command 3 Alpha Papa, contact Command 3 Alpha Papa, contact ground point 7. What's that ground Alpha? Sure, 39 Charlie, it said to expect an update in 30 minutes. I don't know if you want to go to the practice area first or you want to come back to land. It's up to you, but they do have a disabled aircraft on the runway. Runway 26 is closed. But we're going to fly over, just we're going to go to Santa Barbara. Sure, 39 Charlie, roger, and frequency change approved for this flight.
Okay.
That's 221 cross runway 16 right and hold short runway 16 left.
Let go.
Cross runway 16 right, hold short runway 16 left, 221.
Let me do this, then we're going to do, what they asked us is, cross this runway here, and make sure nobody's landing on us. Look that way. And there we crossed it.
0226.
We're going to exit it right here.
0226, 36 Delta.
But hold short means stop before the solar.
That's 221, traffic tower has your request for the pattern. Contact them on 120.2.
120.2, 221.
They want us to switch to this.
Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 61221, holding short of runway 16 left for closed traffic.
Cessna 50 Alpha. Do you have the diamond in front of you that extended it out?
50 Alpha, traffic in sight.
Cessna 50 Alpha, turn crosswind behind them and then angle in towards the 101-405 interchange behind the traffic.
Okay, waiting behind the traffic, 50 Alpha.
Cessna 50 Alpha, contact Burbank Tower.
50 Alpha.
Cessna 47 Bravo, Cherokee's over the threshold, number 2, runway 16 left. Cleared for the option, turn base at the end of the, actually you're already there. Turn base, score the turn to final, that'll leave me room for departure.
Number 2, 16 left, 47 Bravo.
Diamond 9 Echo Foxtrot, do you have the Cessna in sight?
Cessna's in sight, 9 Echo Foxtrot.
Cessna 221, Ben, I say I have your request for the pattern. Stand by for landing traffic.
Standing by for landing traffic, 221.
Diamond 9 Echo Foxtrot, just turn base north of the V, that'll leave me room for departure.
Wilco, 9 Echo Foxtrot.
Cessna 83 Alpha Foxtrot, you'll see traffic at the interchange. 11 moving to 12 o'clock Cessna will continue eastbound along the 101 in the Burbank airspace.
And looking for the traffic gauge, Alpha Foxtrot.
Traffic now 12 to 1 o'clock. Again, the Cessna will continue eastbound.
Yeah, traffic is 93 on Foxtrot.
Tower, that was based north of the VA, correct, for 9 Echo Foxtrot?
9 Echo Foxtrot, affirmative. That'll leave me room for departure.
Copy, 9 Echo Foxtrot, take off, 315 Echo Foxtrot.
55 Echo Foxtrot, ground plane. Cessna 80 Foxtrot, descend to 1,800 as soon as able.
Descending 1,800, 80 Foxtrot.
Okay, now they're gonna let us go now after this. So put your cellular quick away. That's landing there. Put the microphone right in next to your mouth. And speak loud. Okay. All right, loud and clear.
Got it.
Cessna 221, follow the Cessna off of departure runway 16 left. Cleared for takeoff, next to land, Diamond, mile and quarter final.
Runway 16 left, cleared for takeoff, 221. We'll watch for the traffic.
Now we're gonna turn on our line in the center, watch that way.
We'll be following a Cessna along the 405
Turn
freeway.
like this.
North of the
Align with the center.
11 o'clock, mile
I'm gonna hold the aircraft.
Right to follow.
Okay, now,
We're looking for 7.
take this and push it all the way in. Gently, very good, not too fast. Okay, now, let your brakes go. And pull it with me, a little bit back, both hands on it. Okay? And we're going to steer it to the center with foot, not brakes. Hold the nose up, hold the nose up. Not too far up, very good. Notice what's happening. Let it take off. My door open, but we're going to work on that one. Push the nose down.
We're going to do downwind phase and then over the runway, just a traffic pattern altitude.
Okay, push the nose down. Push the nose down. There you go. Now you're flying.
Pattern altitude 1,800, runway 16 left. Cleared low approach, now to below 1,800, then crosswind at the basin.
Okay, low approach at below 1,800.
And we push, always steer away from this runway. Big one, you see it, right? There you go. Now we're above the tower, so pull the flaps up.
What's your left crossing or downwind?
All the way, all the way, to zero.
Downwind 47 Bravo.
And no, push the nose. You see how it's trying to go up? Yeah. Push the nose down so that,
Cessna 221, the traffic is turning left crosswind, 12 to 11.
We have the traffic inside 221.
Okay, this is jet turbulence. Now hold on. When it tilts that way, you're going to steer the opposite, like this. There you go. And tilt that way, opposite. We don't want the nose to come up on our face, and my door keeps opening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the window and pull the door. Oh no, that's opening again. No. Push the nose down. Never pull the nose up. Push the nose down.
Push
it in to push it down.
Yeah, down means forward.
I know it's a false requesting to go back to Encore account.
Diamond 309.
Anyways, okay, bring those open. We're gonna go over it this way. Okay, we're gonna climb to 1,700, okay? Okay. Come dry.
Cessna 47 Bravo, 2 base north of the VA, to station number 2, runway 16 left, 50 out.
We're climbing nicely, right?
Past the VA, number 2, 1 left, there's the option, 47 Bravo.
Keep going. Now, keep going.
Cessna 221, left crosswind.
Turning left crosswind, 221.
Now we're going to turn left, nicely. So flaps are up, right? Oh, you put all the flaps down. Up. Oh, I see.
No, it'll be a full stop, 221.
I had him down. Oh, yeah, you want it up. Okay, there you go. Don't have him down. Now you have to climb. You see what it does is it cuts our climb rate. Now we're going to go up fast, like this. That's 405 freeway. That one? Okay. 405, yeah. We're going to climb over to 405 and turn left onto it. Okay. turn left now. Yeah, like this. Like this. Like this. Let it turn. And we're going to climb up. Level it off to the right. There you go. And push it forward so that you can see where we're going. There we go. Now we're going to climb to 1,800, but not too much.
Okay. Following a Cessna 10 to 9 o'clock, a little slow on the downwind along the 405 freeway.
Alright, we'll right set it up.
That's awesome.
Tier 9 now.
Just continue to jump up it.
That's the one you're following.
Alright, we'll follow it. We got up it.
Keep climbing.
And actually, we'll keep extended a little bit. We'd like to try that one more time. So that's okay. I approach.
Yeah, Foxtrot. That's pretty good.
And we'll continue to jump up it.
Cessna 221, number 2, following Cessna 2 mile final of the VA, reporting flight.
Number 2 following is Cessna and will report the traffic when it's inside. 221.
We're trying to climb, but somehow the window is holding us back. Very hard to pull it in, but you just concentrate and look for that Cessna who is coming in. We're going to follow the Cessna. Okay, keep climbing. And try to don't pull it up. Pull the window close. Oh man. All right. Yeah. Now you can climb. Huge drag. You're getting great experience with this.
Cessna 221, that's a quarter mile final. Number 2, runway 16 left, clear the land.
Runway 16 left, clear the land. 221. Can we extend our downwind to the VA hospital, please? 221. 221. Roger.
Now, VA hospital is that building there.
Go right up to Santa Monica after this.
Yeah,
47 bottom.
That one.
47 bottom.
Over to UCLA. Not UCLA. And we're going to descend to 1,800 feet. We now notice window open, cut our climb rate so much we couldn't go to the 1,800 feet. Now what you're going to do is, give me 10 degrees of flaps, just 10 degrees down. 10 down. There you go, stop there. Oh, there you go.
The Cessna will extend to the VA, that'll be a 2 mile left base. Follow them. Number 2, runway 16 left. Cleared low approach, altitude 1,800.
Okay. Now here,
Alright, cleared low approach behind the base traffic. Low approach,
we're going to try left. There you go. And we're going to descend. Okay, that's just turbulence due to the jets and things. Okay, that's the VA hospital. They're descending. Give me another 10 degrees of flat. 20.
Alpha,
Breathe down. 20, yes.
Inbound with the
20.
20.
Roger. Now we're going to look at the runway. There is the little runway. You see the little runway, right? And watch for traffic everywhere. You see the little runway there, right? We're going to, big one, huge one there, and right next to it is the little one.
A better call would just say
we're going to nicely turn towards it.
45 for left traffic, 16 left.
Better call it be Macy's. Okay, thank you, 50 off.
And we're watching traffic. That's why we're making this
over here.
Turn shallow here. Oh.
47 Bravo. Traffic coming in from the south. 1 to 2 o'clock on the west islands of Cherokee. Being Encino Reservoir. Contact Santa Monica.
We're looking for the traffic. Contact Santa Monica, 47 Bravo.
Cherokee 5 Echo Fall. Shot number 3. Follow Cessna on the extended downwind just north of the Field 1. Let me know when you have the Cessna in sight.
We're going to align with the center line or the little runway so that it's between our legs. Not the big one, but the little one. With the arrows going to the one right in the middle.
Follow Cherokee.
Yeah, that's a taxiway all the way to the left. And right here we're pointing to is the little runway. Okay. Got it. Good. I'm going to point to that. Now give me about 30 degrees of flaps. Just 30. Okay. There. 30. Good. We're going to keep pointing to the, notice we can't land on the arrows. We're going to land on the, after the number. There's 16L there. We're pointing to the 16L.
16L?
Yeah.
5 Echo Foxtrot.
That's the 16R, the big one. Okay? Okay. And we're going to steer. Now give me all the flaps. 40 degrees. Oh. 40 degrees. Good. Now I'm going to align it with the center of the runway, like that. That might be some fast steering here due to turbulence. I'm going to put some little power. So we come in slow. A little right rudder. And point it down. And give it a little power so that we make it to the runway. Right, little left tail on. Right rudder. There you go. We made it. There you go. Now we lift the nose a little bit.
Skyline.
There you go. Now you brake. Let's get past the foxtrot. We could exit here, but it's going to add the brake. And let the brakes go so it doesn't chatter. Okay, there you go. Now keep your foot on the thing. We're going to turn and left exit here. Turn right.
Yeah, we're going to like to turn right here and go to ROTOR F if possible, 221.
221, hold short, runway 16 right, remain this frequency, departing traffic.
Roger, hold short of runway 16 right. We'll remain on this frequency for departing traffic 221.
Catcher 5, I'm sorry, light port 5.
There we are.
Turkey's at the end of VA,
Here. Yeah, there you go. You're going to stop right here. That's what she was saying. Don't cross this, and that's the reason. Okay? Okay. Now.
That's a 221, cross runway 16 right at golf, contact ground point 7 on Alpha.
Cross runway 16 right, contact ground at 121.7 on Alpha, 221.
Steer to the left a little with your foot, and little right. Go straight here. We're going to go straight, look both ways. Nobody's coming in the runway to us. Now they're exiting the runway.
16 left, clear land.
Clear land number 216 left, Roger Alpha.
And we're going to turn right, so push the right in. Right there, and we're going to stop here and ask for permission to taxi. And you're going to steer. 121.7. You can open your window.
Van Nuys ground, Cessna 61221, clear of runway 16 right at golf, taxi to ROTOR FX, please.
Cessna 61221, Van Nuys ground, taxi to FX via Alpha.
Taxi to FX via Alpha 221.
Okay, now go ahead and steer it to that yellow line. Let go of the brakes and push the pedals to steer. This is a longer steer, so you get better exercise. A little bit more right one. Push the right one in. Push the right one in. Hard in. All the way in like this. There you go. Now left one. Left one. Okay. Hold the line between your legs. Right one. You have to constantly steer. It's not like a car. I'm not steering by the steering. I promise you. And you have to constantly steer it. There you go. Little right, little bit right now. A little more right. Go to the line there. Once it's on the line, left. Yes, a little bit more. Right. Go to the right. Go to right. I'll tell you. Then left. Left now. Left. There you go. Little right, so it doesn't do it. There you go. You're getting the hang of it. It's the thing. It's not like a car. The wind hits it and it can go anywhere, so you constantly have to steer it. Very good. To the right. There you go. You're doing it. I'm not touching nothing. I'm not touching any control except the throttle.
221. 221.
Jet exiting the Delta, will be northbound to the black fence, caution jet black.
Roger, we'll be looking for the jet. We have the jet inside 221.
And it's ground number 851 Charlie Bravo.
He's going to come out and go north. Means it's going to jet blast us, so we'll stop here and let him go. Yeah, come to the line like that. There we go.
Hold short 16 left. That's ground, turn number 846.
Develop at my taxi, things to left.
And I agree to switch power, then I found it straight ahead.
Straight ahead, 16 Very nice. OMS ground, Turkey 315, Echo Fox, clear 16 left, golf.
Now jet is going to turn towards us.
Cherokee 215, about track,
Okay, let go of the brakes and steer to the right. To the right. So right pedal in.
Then Pierre Bravo Charlie.
There you go. Once on the line, left pedal now to bring it back to the line. Left pedal. Push it in. There you go. Just a little. And little right pedal right there. Right pedal, right pedal, right pedal. Push. Don't let it, drift. Never let it drift. Now left pedal. Quick. There you go. Right pedal right there. Right pedal, right pedal, right pedal. Quick. Hold your. Okay, left pedal, left pedal. There you go. Right pedal. Not too much. You don't go all the way in. Now, line coming in here is splitting to the left here. So we're going to slow down. Push the brakes. Push the brakes. There you go. We're going to go to the thing. Let it go to the thing there. There you go. Well, still a bit more. Now let go of the brakes. Let go of the brakes so it can do. Little right pedal. I'll show you. Now turn left. Follow that line with the left pedal. This line. There you go. Hold your foot in. More left. More left. Then it turns ready with the right.
6050 Alpha, Van Nuys ground.
Okay, ready with the right pedal. Push see that colored helicopter? Right there, we're going to turn in front of it. I'm going to help you. Okay. And there's like trailer and as such, so we're going to slow down a little. And okay, that's good. Speed is good. Now we're going to press the right pedal in. Press right pedal with me like that. There you go. We're turning. Now we're going to pull this to our chest because there's bumps coming and you're going to feel it. There is one. So that we don't hit the propeller onto the ground. And we don't want to hit these cars. There is this yellow, do you see the reflectors? We're going to follow those. Yes. Yeah, there we go, the rotor effect. Was that nice? You ran full training there. Yeah, nice. Most people don't get that, but you got a good one. Everything we had to handle nicely, including, flaps going down, everything. But you can handle. Now stop here. Red line. Look right and left. Sometimes they are bicycling people, like they shouldn't do that, but they do. There are people walking dogs, any number of things. Okay. Lately there isn't any of us.
She's back with you.
There has been
information.
We go straight in.
202 back to the upper Charlie.
There you go. We're going to brake, say, a little bit more. Keep going past this yellow thing here. Watch the wings on both sides. Right about here. Okay, hold the brakes. Now we're going to do the checklist for shutting the aircraft down. Okay, here's the aircraft shut list. Radio's off. You can flick them off.